This is my first time playing Dipsy Endeavor, and this is the final board. So where...
Endeavor Dipsy.
Ay, sorry, ay bali. Endeavor Dipsy, sa'yo pa yun. Gisakto na to. Dayon, we are 3, 4, 5. We're down to the 5th level. Muna na pinaklas, no? So, 5th level. The purple ones are mine. The yellow ones, never mind, joke. That's the husbands. So, this is our final board. And then, this is my final player board. So, in here, this is the score here is 10. So, I get 20 points here. And then, this one here is 7 points. I get 7 points. So, 27 plus this one, 4. So, board points is 31. While the husband got... So, mas laisyo niya guys. Halos tanan is in the 10 columns. So, 30 and then 7. So, imba. 37. And then, the next one is this one. So, yung pangalan ni love?
Impact.
The impact. So, the impact is daghan ng yellow, pero mas impactful ang purple kay. The orange ones, 2 points, and the yellow ones are 1 point man. So, mine is 2, 4, 6. That's 6. So, 7, 8. 9. So, 9. So, 9. Ang iyaha is, pilagay mo hadlok. Dagon, sa di mo, no? 1. Pilagay mo nila. 5 brada iyaha. Daghan niyang board, pero may mga impact. So, dako, winner day ko diri. So, sa board, he won. Dayon din I won here. Then last is the goals. So sa goals, so the goal one is the sonar. So diri kay kasi ako dito. Sonar is asam gayud kung sonar? Goal 1. So mas ako kano?
Ikaw.
Ay ako. Yeah, ang mga sonar is kani siya nga mga boards ay. Kaning mga na asam to ay journal kaning mga inani. So sonar is that's when you explore, you expand the unsay term ani, you expand the ocean. So you do sonar if you want to expand the ocean. So why would you do that? Para makakuha ka ani. So when you expand, if you get to put a new shelf ang term no, shelf, so makuha ninyo mo tanan. So, daog ko ana. Yay! Goal 1 achieved. So, next one is journal. Ang journal is nasa siya ko sa board. Asam itong mga journal. So, this one are the journals. So, for this one, kay daog ang husband. Kay he has 3 journal man. 3 journal cards. Ako, duhara ka cards. Ako, And, if you're the leading, you get 3 points. And the second get 1 point. But, naay mga cards nga naay value. So, I have 2. Ang iyang tulo, wala may value. So, for goal 2, ay daw gapon day siya. Okay. 3 and 3. And then ako guys, 2 and 1 lang. Asa din nakabutang ang score, dad? For 2 points. Okay. So, naday diri. Kumawday na, wala siya score. Okay. So, then the goal 3 is the conserve. This one, kaya daog ka nino. Tay. The conserve kuan is this turtle in the board. So 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, no? 4. We have 4 nga. 4 sa diya ha. And if you get the kuan conserve, so you get 7. So since we're equal, 7 me. So we have 4, 7, 4, 7. And then the rest is kung nabili na kani sa pangalan nabili na disc, so divided by 3 that we have 1 points. So, wako na pildi guys. I got wako na pildi. Equal me ni daddy. So, this is my first time playing Dipsy Endeavor. Dipsy. That's nice. Ngabot ng mga gwapa. Yeah! Okay. Tahipos time. Thank you, Daddy.